All right. Well, as you can see, I brought out the red generator box because I did some testing with it and I haven't had it out for a while, and I think I'm gonna test it again and then maybe repackage the working generator setup. So right now it's just play with the generator. Another note, I did order an HM01 kit, the hit and miss one that was delayed before October and is finally supposed to be shipping, but I don't know when I will see that. And I've been seeing some other reviews online about it missing parts when people get it, so we'll see what happens when that shows up. I've been pretty pleased overall with all of these engines, so it'll be very disappointing to me if I get one that's completely no good, but we'll see what happens. For now, I've got the ET8, and I better make sure I put water in it because I'm going to run it under load. And the other thing I am testing out is I built a large side gas tank over here. So let's see if we can use that to run Alright, maybe it's primed. I think I left it where it was before. And the other thing I'm trying out today is I've got a wide angle lens on my camera, and we'll see how that goes. And I have this set up, but I'm going to unbelt it until the ET8 is running. Oh, I had it wide open. No wonder it took off and stuff. I forgot to check the throttle setting. Maybe this fuel tank is not high enough. Let's see how that goes. So clearly, the fuel tank needs to be just a touch higher. What do I have that I can set it up on? Balanced on a Zippo can. That's interesting. Well, kicked backwards there, so my timing must be a little ahead there for it. But oh, I must have the plug wet now, since we're spewing fuel out the plug is wet. That's the thing about these little engines with a plain carburetor like this and no float. The fuel level in the tank is what represents the float for a main carburetor, and so you have to either adjust you either have to adjust it for the location of the needle or the location of the tank. Let's see here. Lowered the tank again. And open the needle a lot. Okay, the needle is backed out about as far as it can go, so I guess I have to raise that tank back up and then adjust the needle. Alright. Tank back up. Needle barely open. Maybe there's just enough leak by on the needle because of how badly these, or how low tolerance these carbs are. Let's try that. Okay, that might be it. Well, trading this fuel tank, I guess, is the project that I turned this into. Let's turn and look at that a bit more. Well, definitely got blowback from the intake valve, so let's see if we can get that to rotate, and we'll have to take the head off and check that, but alright, I'm going to give up and hook the factory fuel tank back up, see if we can get this going.